Hi, welcome back to another one for SHIBA INU today. Leo here. Let's just get straight into it and see what's going on. None of this is financial advice. Please do your own research. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, on the 4-hour chart, I did draw a triangle over here just to get a proper understanding where we are at, where we have a demand zone or a buying zone. This is definitely a buying zone one here, but as you can see, we also made another flag. It's looking like a flag, but not really a flag, but I'm more concerned about this candle. This candle which has come down to 0.001549 points per coin. So you can clearly see over here, I've drawn a resistance point over here. This is where we had a previous, we had a touch, we had a test, we came down and we went back up. All right, nothing to hold, just a normal zone just over here. We had a test, we bounced, came down a little bit and broke. The moment we broke, we went much higher than we were supposed to go. So now I want to get into this point, which is very, very important over here. So let's just make it a little bigger. Then we'll check out the RSI as well. We did make a double bottom over there before and we went up significantly. But again, we got rejected because Bitcoin played out in a wrong way and then we just broke right through. So now coming back to that wick, as I mentioned before in previous charts and in other projects, this wick, we always intend to visit back the wicks. Every time we make such large wicks, we intend to visit it at some point. So now let's go into a higher time frame. Maybe you can sort things out from there. Okay. Clearly we got 0.001546 is a point where if we do break through from this, depending on whether Bitcoin, Shiba Inu closes on this, if it closes over here and the market is not decisive, if we make one large green candle, that would definitely become a morning star, but it's not very hard to tell right now. And we can break out of this. But pretty concerned right now about this wick. So if, say, for one scenario, we do break through, we do break the line and come all the way down. So what are we looking at? Okay, so as you can see, it's literally that wick point, almost pretty close to the wick point itself at 0.00562. But I know this much for sure. If we're going to break this, where are we going to retrace back? Let's go a little bit out and see what we can find over here. If you can find anything. It's pretty hard to tell on this. So we go to the 8-hour chart. And we need to find another point where we did test and then break up. So here's another point as well, which is all the way down to 0.00127. Let's stretch that all the way out here, which we might trace back down to if we do break that. If we do break that and we come here, definitely we are going to retest this point, which is 0.00127. That's only if we break this point, and we need to at least get a confirmation of a break right till the last point over here, which is 0.00184 points per coin. So clearly we don't have much of a confirmation yet, but we need to see whether the market is decisive or not, or is that going to be a dodgy or not. So we'll have maybe an hour and 22 minutes more to see what's going to go on, what's the next candle after that. Hopefully it's a big green candle and we can call it a day. on the day itself. So far it's looking so good. Hopefully we do get a doji and a big green candle after that. So I'll catch you in the next one. Stay safe. If you're actually going long, wait till it breaks this point right over here. I did give you a point. Wait till it short. If you're going short, wait till it breaks this point of the lowest candle over here. Wait till it breaks this point of 0.00188. Wait till it breaks this to get a proper confirmation, and then we'll drop all the way down, hopefully touching this candle itself, which is the technical target for now. And definitely, if we are reaching this technical target, we are going to look to retrace to the second point, which is kind of strong, which is at this point over here once again, 0.001277. all right, without any further ado, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.